Hello class 10 children. Now today we will be studying about how to create reports using the openoffice.org base wizard. Now first of all, what is a report? A report, just like you have a report card, it helps you to summarize your marks in a proper format. Similarly, a report helps us to display the data in a summarized manner. It is used to generate the overall work output or outcome in a clear format. We can also create reports in the database, and reports again will be created from the already existing tables. Now to do so, the steps are as follows. First of all, click on the reports section under database in the OpenOffice base application. Once you select this option, now you will be getting an option for click on use wizard to create report. In the forms also we used a wizard, that means an automatic software in which we just click on next and the thing gets uploaded. So similarly we will be using wizard to create the report. Now what will happen? You will see all the fields of the table displayed. If you want the selected table fields, you will click on single greater than button, and if you want all the table fields in the report, you will click on the double greater than button. So whatever is the case, you click on it, then you click next. Then we can even redefine the label of the fields. For example, the fields are ID, name, roll number, DOB, class. So we can change their names according to our convenience if we want in our report. Then again click next. Then we'll be sorting the field variables in the report. For example, we want the IDs to be arranged in an ascending or descending order, so we'll be selecting. Similarly, we want the names to be arranged in the ascending or descending order. So all these things can be sorted out. There are options for that. Then again click next. Then you will be choosing the layout of the report. That means how the report will be looking like by selecting the appropriate option available under the layout of the data down list. And then you can even select the orientation of the report. That means portrait or landscape. Your report will be in an A4 size paper printed with all the fields in it. Then next is after doing so, then you will click the next. Then you will be defining the name for the report. If you do not define the name, it will be giving the name of the table that you have selected. Otherwise you can write the name for the report also. That means that you can use a separate name or the same name as the table. So that will be the name of your report. And finally you will be clicking on finish. Once you click on finish, you will be seeing the summarized report of the table on the screen. For example, there is a report containing the name, roll number and phone details. So children, this is all about creating reports using the openoffice.org base application. Now with this we finished the chapter, that is database development, in which we have studied about how to create and manage various queries. Plus we have studied about what is a database, what is DBMS, then what are forms and reports and how are they created, all these things. The notes of this report have already been shared with you along with the notes of forms. From that you have to copy the notes given in session 5, plus there are question and answers given at the end. You are supposed to do them also in your notebook. So children, this is about your database development, in which we have studied about various things like what is a database, what is data, what is DBMS, what is primary key, foreign key, then what is a report, what is a form. Then we have studied about various database queries, DDL and DML queries, and executed them also. For example, we studied about how to create the database, then how to create tables inside it, what are the various fields used to sort the database. All these things we have studied. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.